Hi, it's Mints from My Life Mints. Thank you so much for stopping by. I wanted to do the unboxing for the Stationery Selection January box. So here it is. I will most likely do a create with me a little bit later on, maybe in another video if it gets too long. But here is the items inside the box for January. So I'm going to go down the list as I do. Usually I'm going to go down this list here. First one here is the Artnik stamp. It is a pigment ink in the color Pine Cone right there. Then we have a classic-y washi tape by this, in collaboration with this brand here. I will unbox everything a little bit later on. Then here we have a Furukawa Shiko Kototo letter set, and there will be 3 different color variations. This one here is in the dusty pink color. Then is the Magnolia stamp from Midori, and this specific character usually is used to stamp on top of letters, like on the closure of the envelope as like a seal. So I wanted to include that there with the stamp ink here. We have the Mindwave hedgehog stickers. To be honest with you, I didn't know they were kind of mirrored in a way, or like foiled. When I was looking for them online, I didn't notice that, so I was a bit surprised that they were foiled, but they're still very, very cute. We have the Platinum Preppy fountain pen, the crystal fountain pen, and this one in here is the black ink. I thought I would include the cartridge refills, and this one is in the blue black, so you can try both colors. So this one here is a very, very highly requested item. I always get requests for some Tomoe River paper, and instead of doing another notebook, I thought I would do a paper pad. I mean, you could use it as a notebook if you like, but you can also tear out the paper, which I will do. I'm going to be probably tearing the paper out and creating myself a junk journal or something of that sort. So maybe like a traveler's notebook insert or something like that with various different papers. So I thought I would do that with you. This is the Tomoe River. So smooth. And I noticed that the first page was a little bit different, so I think I'm going to include that one in my handmade journal as well. This one here, it's a little bit different, you can see. Anyways, I think I'm going to have fun making the journal. So there's that. Let me open up the other bits here. So I'm not too sure why I got all quiet all of a sudden, but anyways, there's the washi tape in the brown color there, and that's the Pine Cone ink, as you can see. It's like a dark brown. It matches perfectly well with the washi tape. Let's see if it bleeds through, and it doesn't. There you go. And so back to this one. This one has both envelopes and paper. So there's 5 envelopes in here, and it's so pretty. There's like a window as well, made out of like glassine paper. So pretty. So when you put the letter in, you can see that it looks like that. And then it's kind of like letter pressed. The envelope is a little bit letter pressed, so there's like a pretty design on it as well. I think on the back here it says, so there's 5 envelopes and 20 pieces of paper for writing. So it's a nice set, and you can see that it is lined, and there's a cute little decoration at the top there. And you open up the packaging for the stickers. So I was just reading attempting to read the packaging on the back there. It says here that you can decorate you can use these stickers to decorate glass, even the handle of the umbrella, as it is strong to water. I don't think it's waterproof or anything like that, but that's actually a good idea. It rains a lot here during the rainy season and during the tsuyu season, and I think that would be a great idea to add 1 or 2 stickers on the handle so that people don't get the umbrellas confused, because I think that's happened to me once. I was going into a store, I put my umbrella there, and there's a whole bunch of other umbrellas, and it's it's easily mistaken. Somebody can take your umbrella by mistake. So there's the hedgehog stickers, and like I said, they're kind of foiled. I don't know if you can really tell, but very, very cute. Let me put one on here. They're not super raised or anything. They're not puffy. I don't know if you can see that. They're not like a puffy sticker. They're just foiled and cute. So there's that. And then the Platinum Preppy. You can unscrew this. The cartridge here is in the black, and there's a middle ball there. You just have to push it in. So I forgot to mention the nib. The nib is in 03. So let's put the cartridge in here. Just push it in. Then you'll see right away that the ink is in contact. I don't know if this is going to help, but maybe if you try pushing it a little bit. Let's see, let's try writing with it. Maybe I didn't push it in hard enough. Let's see. I think I got it to work. You can see a little bit of ink there. So let's see. Oh, yeah. So yeah, I just kind of pushed it in a little more, the cartridge here, and then I just kind of squeezed it. You can't really squeeze it too much because the plastic is so hard, but the ink pushed through there. So it is in the 03. So the cool thing is that you can, once the black ink is finished, you can use the blue black ink there. To put the cap back on, it just snaps back on, so make sure you hear the click. It looks like that. And like I said, the nib is in the 03, and I just did an example of the writing right there. This is me testing it. Alright, that's it. If you have any questions, please email instead of DMing or messaging me. The email is the best way to go. Right now, I just returned to work yesterday, the 22nd. I currently still have some emails that I have to look through, so I do apologize in advance if I don't reply to it right away. But yes, I am working through the emails. And I think I'm probably 100% sure that I will be able to do a very, very small restock of the February box, and I will be posting that probably a little bit later on, maybe next week. Yes, the week of the 28th sometime. So yes, if you missed out on the February box, I will be able to restock just a little bit, and I will be restocking that on the week of the 28th. Alright, thank you so much. I really, really appreciate you. I will see you soon. Bye-bye. Alright, if you're still here, thank you so very much. I just wanted to quickly show you something that I made. It is a scrap piece of... I used a lot of scrap pieces of paper, and I'll show you the 3 different notebooks that I used, or 3 paper pads that I used when creating this notebook. It has 3 signatures, 5 pages per signature, so in total 60 pages. I guess I could use it for maybe about 1 to 2 months, and I thought it would be fun to create something different. If you're not a huge writer, or if you're not somebody that likes to use a lot of their notebooks, you can definitely tear the paper out and use it the way I'm doing it right here, creating your own journal and using it as like a scratch pad, or like a shopping list pad, or just whatever you feel like will suit your needs. So don't feel like you have to use it as a writing paper, or for writing letters, or writing to pen pals, or anything like that. You can use the paper however you please. In my case, I decided to use the paper that I had and created myself a journal of some sorts, like a kind of like a junk journal in a way, using these scrap pieces of paper. But yeah, I think it's a lot of fun to insert different types of papers and try new things. So I'm excited to start this journal. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed, and I hope this gave you a bit of ideas on how to use the pieces of paper that you may have left lying around. Thank you so very much for watching, and I will see you soon. Bye-bye.